Hey, I'm Jeff, and welcome back to the garage. Tonight we are doing tire pressure sensors on this 2010 Toyota 4Runner. If you have a tire pressure light on, you could have a low tire, and after you adjust your tire pressures, if the light doesn't go off, you probably have a bad sensor. So on this one, we're going to be replacing all 4 tire pressure sensors. We've done 3. I'm going to show you the last one, and then we're going to reset it with this tool. All right, so this is the tool we're using. It's an X tool. TP150. If you go online and look on online how to reset the tire pressure light, it's going to say that you have a switch over here next to the ALDL connector, and that's not true. There is no switch in this 4Runner. So we're going to use this tool once we get the last pressure sensor replaced, and we're going to reset it. And this is just a manual tire machine we're using to break the bead and put the sensor in. So basically what we're going to do here is break the bead. Go ahead and pull the valve stem out, the valve stem core. And there's a little tool for that. And that's going to basically just empty the tire. And it's going to whistle. There it goes. So let's put this about right here, where that little thingy is right there, but I can't say on camera. All right, I told you what Dad used to call them. All right, we're still emptying, so. Let's go for it. All right, just like the other ones. Make sure that goes down. Grab your washer. There you go. Just hold that down about right here so they can get that on camera. It's pretty well focused, like right there. There you go. Go ahead. The other one did that. Mm-hmm. Make sure the lip. There's a no. It goes pretty fast once you've done one or two. Mm-hmm. It goes pretty quick once you learn the process.
Almost didn't take this long.
No, I don't think it's. Make sure your lip's in the hole. I don't think you had it started all the way.
It's in.
Yeah. Oh, you know what?
Yeah,
I bet you grabbed the old collar.
You are exactly right.
Yeah. It's the swap sockets. You need that 11. your new collar.
That is correct, sir. I thought you meant the Ford.
Not yet. Probably got one on deck here pretty soon. Ah. All right. Perfect. All right. Your hose, sire. I'm gonna grab the camera. I want to talk about not putting your fingers in here.
Ready?
Yeah, so now we're going to air it up, and what you don't want to do is have your fingers in this area at all. All right, go ahead. Now sometimes they won't take air without like picking up on the tire in a couple of spots. These, we've been lucky. They take air right away. And you'll see very soon why you don't want your finger in there. All right. We're going to air this up and put it back on.